Bring smart security indoors with the Nest Cam wired. In this video, we'll show you how to install it quickly so you can start monitoring your home with confidence. Choose a spot with a clear view of the area you want to monitor and make sure it's close to a power outlet. Avoid locations with direct sunlight or glare for better image quality. Use the included wall plate and screws if you want to mount it, or simply place it on a stable surface like a shelf or table. Plug in the power cable, keeping it neat and secure. Adjust the camera angle to cover your desired view. Double-check that the lens isn't obstructed and the power connection is stable, ensuring consistent monitoring. That's all it takes to install your Nest Cam indoor, wired. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.